The multi-leader command. Open 1B template that was created in article, creating a new template. Use the multi-leader command to write the dimension text. You can select the leader tool from the dashboard or click the dimension menu and select multi-leader. Draw the circle. Select the leader tool. AutoCAD prompts specify leader arrowhead location. Hold down Shift key, right click and select nearest. Move cursor to the circle and after special marker appears, click. The arrow directed to circle appeared. AutoCAD prompts specify leader landing location. Type 0.8 and press the Tab key. Type 45 and press Enter. This opens the text editor panel. Type the radius of this circle is 2. Edit the text and click Close Text Editor button. You can see result on the screen.